Bum 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 ba-dum bum ba-dum. Bum 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 ba-dum bum ba-dum. Whoa, lightsaber, new book. Star Wars. How's it going, guys? So just wanted to get you ready for your up and coming module test coming up here with graphing sine and cosine. So we're on week 8 already. Whoa! Next week's the end of the quarter. That's crazy. Just take your final exam next week. So this week I actually pushed, or even last week, 8.3 Math Practice ACT Test Review Homework. So last year we didn't have the ACTs till like the end of the quarter, but it's actually tomorrow. So hopefully you're watching this video today and doing this Practice ACT Test Review Homework assignment, getting ready for the ACTs tomorrow, if you're taking that. 48 questions, 48 assignments. So last week we were graphing sine and cosine with Ferris wheel problems, and then we were doing time and temperature applications. That was week 7 last week. And so this week we're taking the practice test and taking the test. But if you haven't already done so, go on to the Math Practice ACT Review Homework Test. 48 questions, 48 minutes, go! And so I've got it timed, but you can take it again and again. What I would do is I would write, like get a blank sheet of paper, write like 1 through 24, 25 through 48, and then I would go through and answer as many questions as you can, write down all your work, and then when it'll tell you which ones you missed at the end, right? It'll tell you which ones you missed at the end, and then go back through and do the ones that you missed after you already see how well you're doing. And so once you get to question 48, at the very, very end, you're actually going to be a link here that's going to take you to the ACT official website. And on that website it has all the answers. So you click on that website like this. Now you do have to go through each section, 1, 2, 3, 4. And each one there are 12 questions, up to set 4, which is 48. Do 5 too, so you've done them all. Getting ready for the ACTs. If it's coming up soon, get ready for the ACTs. And so once you put in all the answers, then you're going to go ahead to the bottom. Once you put in all your answers for 1 through 12, then you'll push submit. And then it'll actually show you if you get it right or wrong and how come. So it's got some pretty good explanations in here. For example, if I put 21, they'd say, oh, this is a common factor, but not the greatest common factor. It's asking for the greatest. And so 42 is correct. It's the greatest common factor. And so it goes through all these questions, getting you ready for the ACTs, helping you study for the ACTs. Also, after that, as you're watching this video, to get participation points for watching this video, you want to go ahead and email me, or message me through Canvas, your favorite specimen of bird, right? Your favorite specimen of bird. So is that an eagle, a bald eagle? I saw one once up at Bear Lake at Tony's Grove, actually. Or do you just like a blue jay, or a sparrow, or a penguin? So go ahead and email me, message me your favorite bird. Cool. Okay, so back to our class. So there we go. So we're in quarter 3 right now, towards the end. And so last week we did Ferris wheel time applications. Watch those videos to get lots of help there. This week you're doing the module practice test and the test. So I tried to make the test very similar, the practice test very similar to the test. So here's the worksheet to download and work on. It's got graphing sine and cosine. It's got 3 phase shift problems. It's got given a graph, can you come up with the amplitude, period, midline, and equation? Right? And then it's got a word problem. It's got a Disney World Ferris wheel problem, as well as some Helsinki time when the sun rises or sets. And then that's it. That's the test. So just 4 assignments, and then you have your test. There are videos to help you. You got 4 videos there to help you, which is awesome. So remember, you want to make sure to try the problem on your own. So go to number 1. You're like, oh, 2 cosine x. What's that again? Well, that's just cosine, which is 1, but its amplitude is 2, so it's going to come up to 2. And then down to 0, down to -2, back to 0, and back up to +2. And there's cosine, with the period going from 0 to the b value is 1, so 2 pi over 1, 2 pi over 1, that's our b value. Goes there, b value goes there. And so we're going from 0 to 2 pi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. And so I was a tiny many? Wait, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. Yeah. So right there is 2 pi. And then half of 2 pi is 1 pi. And half of 1 pi is pi over 2. And there's our x-axis. 1 pi over 2, 2 pi over 2, 3 pi over 2. So we labeled our x-axis. Our y-axis goes 1 up to 2, down to -1, down to -2. And then you're going to go and do this problem number 1 and do number 2. And then you're going to come back here and watch my video, right? Watch my video.
Yeah, 3 videos with Mr. Nebo.
Yeah, videos.
First funny video. Hi. Zero, 1. Cool. The period.
Why did Daisy get hers first?
Yeah, why? Wow.
That's too fast.
Because Max goes first too fast.
You bet. Oh, no.
No.
Oh, why did you pretend? Why?
Why did Daisy get hers first?
Yeah, why? Wow.
Cooper eats us too fast.
Too fast.
Oh, my goodness.
So here's number 1 with our 5 numbers. Multiply the amplitude through times by 2 times by 2 times by 2.
This is just doing one cycle.
Hey, that's how we did 1 cycle from 0 to 2 pi. We got it right. So then you're going to go back through and do number 2 and then watch the video, see how you did. 3, 4, 5, 6, see how you did, see how you did. Face shift, see how you did. So there's our practice test you're going to do. Practice. Practice makes perfect. And so go through and try each one of these on your own and then look at the practice test videos and see how you did. And then what you'll do is you'll go ahead and take the Unit 7 graphing sine and cosine module test, which is 8.2. So that's the, module 6 through 8, not Unit 7, module 6 through 8 test, graphing sine and cosine. So you can take that as many times as you want to because this is a module test. The final exam, which is next week, is the one that's going to be proctored. And you can take that one more than once too, but you have to sign up for another appointment. You have to email me to reset the test. So definitely, this one you can take as many times as you want to get good at it. In fact, I encourage you to do your very best and be ready for the final exam. And so do modules 1 through 5 test, do 6 through 8, be ready for the final exam. So thanks so much for watching. Email me, message me if you have any other questions. And thanks for watching. Woo! Thanks for watching. Yeah, Star Wars. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye for now. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.